Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Department of Mathematics, Mahatma Gandhi Arts, Science and Late NP Commerce College, Armori, District Gadchiroli. Myself, Professor Arpit Kharwade from the Department of Mathematics, Mahatma Gandhi College, Armori. Today, we will discuss about the program-specific outcomes and course outcomes of BSc Semester 4 Mathematics subject. In BSc semester 4, we have two papers of mathematics. Paper 1, namely algebra, and paper 2, namely elementary number theory. Then program specific outcomes. The program specific outcomes means what you will be able to learn from both the papers in common, that is build a logic to develop to deal with various problems in mathematics. So both papers are of pure mathematics, so they will definitely helps you to develop your logic to solve various types of problems in mathematics. Students understand the basic structure of mathematics, that is algebraic structure and basic of number theory, and develop the ability to understand the concepts in mathematics on their own. So this is all about the program specific outcome of this BSc semester for mathematics. Then we comes to the course outcomes. Course outcomes means what you will be able to learn from both papers individually. So paper 1 is your algebra. Algebra paper comprises of 4 units. Unit number 1. In unit number 1, we actually start with the definition of binary operation and then what is algebraic structure. So algebraic structure is a very important concept in pure mathematics. Then throughout the paper we will discuss about two algebraic structure. One is group and second is ring. Then from this unit, the students will be able to understand the basic of groups, their examples, some special types of groups and their properties, like quaternion group is there, symmetry group, alternating group, Hamiltonian group, and various theorems related to groups. From unit number 2, we will extend the topic of group to the normal subgroups, what are cosets, type properties of cosets, and the Lagrange's theorem. So this is a very important theorem in algebra. From unit number 3, the students will be understand the concept of homomorphism and isomorphism of groups. So, and then the kernel of homomorphism is there. Then fundamental theorems of isomorphism is there. This is very important concept in the group theory and other related theorems of group theory. From unit number 4, there is a basic of ring theory is given. So student will be able to understand the basic knowledge of ring theory. What is a ring? The group is actually is an algebraic structure consisting of a single binary operation. Ring is a algebraic structure which have two binary operations. So from this unit, in this unit, we will students will be able to learn about basics of ring theory, what is subring and their properties, and then we move to extend the topic of ring theory about the integral domain, then commutative ring, then characterization of ring, and finally the concept of field. So what are field, what are types of field, and what are actual the properties of fields, like field of real numbers, field of complex numbers. So this is all about your algebra. Algebra is one of the uh, main part of the pure mathematics, and it definitely helps you to develop your logic in pure mathematics. After that, the second paper is your elementary number theory. Elementary number theory is very interesting paper. From in unit number 1, the students will be able to understand the concept of divisibility, the divisibility which we are actually learning from the school days. So the what is the actual concept of divisibility we actually discuss in BSc Mathematics, the division algorithm theorem, the concepts of greatest common divisor, the GCD and LCM which are actually discussed. We are solving problems from the school days, but we are actually discussing what are actually GCDs and what are actually LCDs, means LCM of numbers, and the methods of finding GCD and LCM of various more than two numbers and various theorems related to that. Then we comes to the unit number 2. In unit number 2, we discuss about the prime numbers and their properties, because prime numbers has a very special importance in nature. These are special type of numbers which are divisible by one and only itself. So they are themselves special. So in this unit, the student will be able to understand the prime numbers and the properties related to that. Then we comes to then student will be able to get the knowledge about the fundamental theorems of arithmetic and the unique factorization theorem. Then the second part of this unit is actually Fermat's number. Fermat's number are special type of numbers, their properties, and lastly the solution of linear Diophantine equations, like the equations of the type ax plus by is equals to c. This type of equations are called linear Diophantine equations. So how to find the solution of that will be able to understand from this unit. Then we comes to the unit number 3. Unit number 3 is all about the congruences. From this unit, student will be able to understand the congruence and the property of congruences. And then if the system of congruences is given, then there is a Chinese remainder theorem which helps to find the solution of the system of congruences, and the Goldbach, and lastly the Goldbach conjecture. Last, the unit number 4. In unit number 4, students will be able to uh, understand the concept of arithmetic function and different type of arithmetic functions, such as Euler's function, Mobius function, the tau, and the sigma functions. So this is all about your BSc semester 4 mathematics, and the course outcomes of these both papers. Thank you.